So what's going on, man? Man, oh my God, bro. I just filled up from the gas station, bro. Look at this. Look.
Oh my God, it's J2!
So what's going on, man? Back with another banger, man. J2 in the building. I just want to give y'all a little quick, not nothing too crazy, a POV of the car, man.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
A lot of people been asking me about my stars in the roof and my dash lights and everything and how I look when I'm riding at night. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you ain't following me, hit that subscribe button, man. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it, man. Let's get crazy. Let's get litty. Boy, that bad boy sound good. Downshifts is crazy. Boy, if you don't, it ain't all the way night yet, but the real nighttime, I know for a fact I'm gonna get y'all a good video with it. That bad, bro. I'm just fell in love with the downshifts and how loud it is now. We let out the gas, how loud it is. This bad boy here is nice, bro. I'm telling you. I swear to God. Oh my God, I'm J2. Oh my God, I got a scan. What's your total glass? But yeah, at night with these lights change the colors, oh my God. Bro, it's a vibe, bro. If you got a girl, bro, I'm telling you, bro, at night R&B, bro, that shit is going crazy. I promise you, and by yourself, these lights, bro. When I tell you this, the best thing that I did with my car, bro. And it's just an auto. It's just an auto what you hearing. Bad boy, let me double tap. Alright, so now we in custom. Boy, it's finna shift hard and everything. Oh my God. Then when you tap the gas. That bad boy sound good, boy. I'm telling you. We got another one right here. Let's see if he want to play with something. Let's see what he talking about. Telling you, boy, that Catless, boy, this bad boy quick. I'm telling you, crazy, bro. So good at night, I swear. That's a little POV, man, some quick video, man, so y'all can see how the inside of the car look from the POV and what it look like when you hear it. So, man, we going crazy, man, going up all 2024 and 25, man, new blessings in 2025. So if y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe, interact with me, man. Let me know how you feel about it, what I did wrong, or what I need to improve. So just holler at me. All right.
Yeah, catch a LA vibe, California vibe.